In this video, I'm going to show you how to download EvoFox Blaze Mouse software. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to go to the search box up top right, and then in here, you want to type in Blaze, and it's going to basically show you all the models. You want to click on the one you have. I'm going to click on this EvoFox Blaze Programmable Gaming Mouse. It's going to open up the product, and then you want to scroll down over here, and then towards the very bottom you'll be able to see it's going to say important links, and then you can see software, and you can click on the download button. Now when you do this, it's going to download the software onto your computer. You then just have to basically click on it to open it up, and then it should pop up a window over here on your computer. There we go, which is the installation wizard. You can then go ahead and click on next, select where you want to install it, click on next again, and then if you want a desktop shortcut or not, you can click on that or not, then click on next again, and then install. And this is basically going to install it, and there we go. Once that's done, you can just click on the finish button here, and it's going to open up your basically software. And as you can see, it says please plug in USB mouse, EvoFox Blaze Gaming Mouse. Now, if you do have your mouse with you, you have to just basically plug it into your computer, and when you do that, the app will then open up and you'll be able to start using it. So that's how it works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.